everyone, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Well, today's going to be a short little video here on the 2008 ML that I just got recently. I just put new brake pads on the rear. The front were new when I got it. But today's video is going to be on replacing the brake wear sensors. When the pads get low, it trips a brake wear light here in your dash, which I'll show you here. So as soon as you start the vehicle, it'll go through a system check and you'll get the brake wear light. That means your pads were left get low enough where the sensor made contact and wore it off. So I'll show you how to replace that. It's very simple, cheap. You need to take the wheel off. So you'll need a breaker bar and a 17mm socket. You'll need a torque wrench to retorque the wheel, straight screwdriver to pop the sensor out. I'll use an impact gun once I get the lug nuts loosened. And then here are the sensors. I got them off eBay. They're super cheap. I'll put a link in the description below. I got a pair. That way I always have a spare, or in case the front one goes bad. But there they are. It's just a pigtail and the sensor itself, and I'll show you the old one once I get it out. So I'll loosen these lugs, pull this tire, and show you how easy it is to replace this sensor. Alright, so I got all 5 of the lug bolts out and the tire off. Here you can see the new brake pads that I just put on. Super easy compared to a lot of vehicles. Front, you just got the spring clip here. Then you got 2 pins in the back. But here you can see this sensor. Just plugs in here on the caliper side and then snaps into the brake pad. So you just pull that out. And then you may need a screwdriver or something to pop this. This one I just had out, so it came off pretty easy. But just slide that out of the brake pad. And the metal clip even popped off. So you can see here the back of that sensor is worn. And you can see the little metal showing through. So if your sensor looks like that, you know it's bad. And here's what a good one looks like. You can see it's all covered in plastic there and nothing metal is sticking through. So I'm guessing that goes against it and shorts it out. But that's the new one versus the worn one there. You can see that it wore down to the metal, and that's what makes that light in your dash. Alright, so you can see the little slot there in the brake pad where this sensor goes. So you just take that and you slide this groove in there. And you'll hear it pop in. And then you just take your connection and plug it in. Just like that, you're done. But again, I'll put a link to those sensors in the description. I got them off eBay. They were less than $7 for a pair of 2. And you only have 2 sensors. One on the rear axle, which is on the passenger side, and one on the front axle as well. But you don't have them at each wheel. You just have one per axle. But I'll put this tire back on and I'll check and see if our error message is off the dash. Alright, then you can just snug up your lug bolts. And then we'll let the tire down just a little bit till it touches. And then we will torque them to 110 foot-pounds. So I set my torque wrench for 110. And then you just go around in the star pattern and torque them all to 110. And then go the whole way around and double check them. All right, and just like that, you're done, and you can lower it the whole way down. We'll go around here and see if our light is out. And it is. No brake wear light anymore. So, in 5 minutes, you can change your own sensor and save a lot of money on labor. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below. Again, if you're new here to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to keep these videos coming. You can also follow me on Facebook. The link is in the description below.